Fed up with workshop delays? Check out 10 amazing Amazon woodworking gadgets that cut down setup time for cuts, joins, and more. Don't miss the speedy helper that'll rescue your next project. This video is the 5th part of our woodworking gadget series. After watching, be sure to see parts 1, 2, 3, and 4 linked below in the description. Milescraft 1316 Drill Block. The Milescraft helps you drill straight holes in wood. It has rubber pads to stop slipping, AV groove for round items or edges, fits 3 by 8 inches and 1 by 2 inches drills, and spring-loaded stops to control depth. This tool works great for shelf pins, cabinet dowels, or door hinges. It lines things up 3 times quicker than usual. It weighs just 0.3 pounds, making it easy to carry. Built to last a lifetime, you can buy it on Amazon for $19. Woodpeckers AutoStop Panel Gauge. The Woodpeckers measures panels for rip cuts. It has a wireless digital display, attaches to fences with magnets, and boasts 0.001-inch accuracy. This tool works with table saws and miter saws. You can use it to cut plywood or shelf stock in batches to exact widths. Fine woodworking tests show it cuts measuring time in half. It stops to prevent oversizing, lets you work with one hand, and sells for $129 on Amazon. If you think these tools are fast, wait until you see the one that sets up in under 2 minutes. It's coming up next. Kreg Precision Router Table Insert Plate. The Kreg Precision Router Table Insert Plate consists of tough phenolic material with jacks to level it. It measures 9.5 inches by 11.75 inches and has a thickness of millimeters. You can clean it in the dishwasher. It uses level lock rings to level corners and works with most routers, even big ones. This plate helps you to level router tables, resulting in perfect edge profiles on tabletops. Popular woodworking tests show you can set it up in less than 2 minutes. It provides routing without vibrations, allows for add-ons, and sells for $79 on Amazon. Freud Diablo D0740X 7 and 1/4 inch circular saw blade. The Freud cuts with laser precision for cordless tools. It features 40 alternate top bevel teeth, a slim 0.59 inches curve, slots to reduce vibration, and permashield coating to make cuts easy. This blade works great for portable cutting on work sites or breaking down sheet materials. It doubles the cuts per battery charge in family handyman tests. Leaves finishes so smooth you need to sand. Stays sharp 5 times longer, and sells for $24 on Amazon. Coming up, the sharpening tool that gives you razor-sharp edges in just 60 seconds. Veritas MK.II Honing Guide. The Veritas helps sharpen chisels and plane irons. It uses adjustable roller bearings and an angle registration jig to set exact bevels from about 15 to 30 degrees, and more. The guide supports curved blade edges up to about 2.875 inches wide for steady control. This tool lets you hone edges before joinery. It gives consistent razor-sharp results in about a minute. You can store it on your workbench. Many online stores sell it, including Amazon. The price falls between $70 to $80. Bora Centripetal Force Clamp Heads. The Bora make regular pipe clamps better. They have jaws that open wide and swivel pads to apply even pressure. These heads fit pipes from 3/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch and can clamp with up to 300 pounds of force for a tight grip. These clamps work great on big panels or when gluing slabs together. Wood Magazine found they grab odd shapes right away. You can turn any pipe into a top-notch clamp without needing tools. They cost $29 for 2 on Amazon. If you're enjoying this series, hit subscribe. Part 6 will cover budget hacks every woodworker needs. SawStop MagSwitch HoldDown. The SawStop keeps workpieces in place on saw tables using switchable magnets. It exerts 150 pounds of force, turns on and off with a lever, has a slim profile, and links with other units for multiple setups on steel surfaces. Fine woodworking notes. It works well for safe narrow cuts on table or band saws without tracks. You can attach it to steel tables. It pushes down to stop kickback. You can move it around, and it sells for $39 on Amazon. Incra Miter Express 2. The Incra helps woodworkers make precise cuts on their table saws. This modular sled system has T-slot runners you can adjust to fit. It comes with 2 flip stops that let you make the same cut over and over. If you add compatible gauges, you can lock it at 364 different angles. It can hold pieces of wood weighing up to 50 pounds. This tool shines when you need to make exact crosscuts on frames or miters in batches. Popular Woodworking found it works 10 times faster than regular gauges. It tracks without any wiggle room, and you can make the platform bigger if needed. You can buy it on Amazon for $189. What's your biggest frustration in the workshop setup, cutting, or storage? JED JP2 Planer Joiner Pal. The JED helps flatten boards and benchtop planers. It has adjustable side bridges to level boards, a center support wheel, and fits boards up to 2 by 12 inch. Non-slip pads keep it steady during planing. This tool works great to smooth rough lumber before joining. Tests by family handyman show it planes 12-inch boards twice as fast. It gives knife-free results, lets one person work, and sells for $99 on Amazon. Systainer Sys 3M Stackable Organizer. The Systainer helps you store tools in a modular system that works with T-lock. You can stack and lock these boxes together. They keep out dust with IP44 sealing. A handle pulls out, so you can move them easily. Each box holds 52 liter, letting you organize your stuff well. This organizer is great to sort bits, clamps, or other items in a workshop on the go. It cuts down the time to find things by 70%, according to Woodworkers Journal tests. It pairs with Festool tools. The tough build can handle drops. You can buy it on Amazon for $89. Check out these 10 Amazon woodworking gadgets that will speed up your work and change your workshop. Hit like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe now.